and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2013 Mazda 6 2-litre SKYACTIV-G SEL nav 4-door in metallic blue. It's done 46,000 miles since new, has had 2 previous owners and comes with a full Mazda service history. Features include both front and rear parking sensors as well as satellite navigation. For more information or to book a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.